All right, why are you doing this? So somebody gets upset with you, they tell you, hey, put the toilet seat down. And then you hit them while they're holding your child, who I'm assuming you claim to love.
And there it is, the gut punch. The judge wastes zero time cutting straight to the emotional core. Violence while holding your child? That's not just illegal, it's inhuman. If you're wondering whether this crosses a line into aggravated assault, you're not alone. Because courts definitely consider contexts like this when enhancing charges.
Review the court admonishments with your attorneys. Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
State in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
In each case, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bernal, in the cause number ending in 1-6, you're charged with the unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Okay, let's break that down. This isn't just jail, it's state jail felony territory. That means Texas takes this seriously, even if it doesn't sound like it comes with hard time. Still, 180 days to 2 years is no small chunk of life, and that $10,000 fine? Painful.
In cause number ending in 9-9, you're charged with evading arrest detention of a vehicle. And in cause number, evading arrest detention with a vehicle. And in cause number ending in 7-9, you're charged with continuous violence against a family member. Those two causes are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Punishment is to be assessed at 149 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006379. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 005685, 2025 CC 004005. There's to be restitution, if any, to Olga Tobar, and there's to be no contact with Olga Tobar. And the cause number ending in 9-9, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There are no applications. This cause number will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006379. State will take in consideration 2025 CR 005685, 2025 CC 004005. And the cause number ending in 7-9. The agreement is for a $1,500 fine. Punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006799, 2025 CR 002116. State will take in consideration 2025 CR 005685, 2025 CC 004005. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Justin Vasquez, Emily Torres, Samantha Hernandez, and Claudia Sanford. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Now, this is key. Notice the court confirming the state actually spoke to the victims. It's not just procedural. Victim input can directly influence sentencing. Quick question for the comments. Should victims have more say in plea deals like this?
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. With regard to all three cases, state offers into evidence, State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
We have no objections, Your Honor.
All right, and state, have you spoken to the complainants?
We have, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, in each cause number, the court is going to find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court to abide by the agreement, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, why are you doing this? So somebody gets upset with you, they tell you, hey, put the toilet seat down. And then you hit them while they're holding your child, who I'm assuming you claim to love. And then you have the other incident where you want somebody to make you food and they say they're not going to. And then that results in you hitting someone. How old are you?
I'm 25, Your Honor.
Are you able to make your own food?
Yes, Your Honor.
So why don't you do that? If you're in a relationship with somebody and it gets to the point where you're going to get violent with them, then you shouldn't be in that relationship and you're not ready for a relationship. All this could have been solved with conversations. And guess what? Nobody's obligated to make food for you. You're not a baby. I could see if you're a toddler, because maybe you don't know how to cook your own food, but you're an adult male. And if you're in a relationship.
Whoa. That warning from the judge? Cold, hard reality. Prison isn't a rehab center. If you bring that same violence behind bars, you might find out firsthand what real consequences look like. This isn't just sentencing. It's a survival warning.
Whoever that's with, they are not obligated to make you any food. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life once you're released from prison?
I want to better my life. I just want to get out and work.
Be out where?
I want to get out and work and be a better person.
Mm-hmm.
I really do feel like I need help with my anger.
No, you do. I mean, there's a lot that you need help with. And if you don't get help for it, what's going to end up happening? You may meet somebody who is stronger than you, meaner than you, and they're able to meet your force with force that will not go in your favor. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So when you're released from prison, you need to find a place that can help you with your anger. If you can't find a place, you come back here, then I will pick up the phone and call to help you. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So in cause number 2025 CR 002116, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 149 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006379. Take in consideration 2025 CR 005685, 2025 CC 004005. There's to be no contact with and restitution to Olga Tobar. And there's to be no residing with minors. And cause number 2025 CR 006799. The court is finding you guilty, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 006379. Take in consideration 2025 CR 005685, 2025 CC 00405. I'll order the therapeutic community, and there's to be no residing with minors. And cause number 2025 CR 00637. Court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 006799 and 2025 CC 004005. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Justin, Jesten, Vasquez, Emily Torres, Samantha Hernandez, and Claudia Sanford. And there's to be no residing with minors. Thank you.
Final legal nail. With felony convictions and a finding of family violence, this man has lost his right to own a firearm forever. That's federal law. And just like that, we're off the record. But the damage? Permanent.
Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
All right. And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorneys? Did you understand it? And did you sign them?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And each of these cause numbers, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also in cause number 2025 CR 006379, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition because it's an affirmative finding of family violence. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. Your life isn't over, right? I know you're going to prison, and going to prison is hard, but you need to better yourself when you get there. Otherwise, you're going to be right back where you are now. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're going to have to make some changes in your life. All right. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are they ready with him?
I don't know. They just didn't. I was turning in the.
All right. Can you leave him? Let me, yes.